The lens that, as I kind of think about place-based initiatives and scale, I would say that the view that we have is really thinking about how we're helping social entrepreneurs grow their footprint and scale their work and their impact throughout the country. But, and this I think is the critical lens that GreenLight has, only when it makes sense for the local community.
We believe that local leaders are crafting solutions to some of our nation's greatest challenges, and that's the way we're going to achieve economic and social equity. So place-based initiatives are essentially the incubators, the places where we're really learning about solutions. And I think at times what we fail to do is to think at the beginning that they're also incubators for policy solutions. We all know you cannot take something that's happened in one community and cookie cutter it into another, and policy, right, is going to spread what you've done from one place to the other. So you have to tease out what the essential ingredients are and then take those essential ingredients and turn them into policy and then tell the story in the process. If we want to get to these large-scale impacts, if we really want to be able to talk about sustainable change, we want to get to that population level where we're really making a difference. We're really allowing children, families, residents of low-income communities, of communities of color to really reach their full potential, then we've got to plan for success. And planning for success means planning for all these different elements and also planning for policy change. And so baking in these critical ingredients so that when we get to start to see that success bubbling up, we can scale it, we can translate it, and we can continue that process of bringing change to the places that need it the most.
You know, that's the first thing, is we have to agree that what we care about is results. And that the results that just about everybody cares the most about are pretty straightforward. It's jobs, education, and safety. Irrespective of this administration heading out the door, I think you've seen the development of just a way of doing business at the federal level that has eliminated, or not eliminated, but certainly improved the partnership across these different domains, policy domains, from housing and education and health. And in each and every one of those partnerships, what folks are meeting about are outcomes and results. Another thing that the federal government could do to really enhance the odds of taking these sorts of initiatives to scale, you know, one part is certainly building these principles into the rest of our programs. The other thing we need to do a much better job of is investing in building the backbone capacity of local organizations that drive this work, and in particular, building out their data infrastructure.